2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage, powered with V8 Verado 300s. Notice the great seating along the port and transom of the boat. Dive door on the starboard side. Summer kitchen. Awesome helm area. Cabin space here in front of the guest helm, followed by head compartment underneath. Starboard side, very spacious, vacuum flush toilet. Extremely sturdy. Windshield, no shakes, no rattles here. Transition forward. Awesome seating, both lounge, port, and starboard, as well as a table mount for the forward table. As you can see, this 2020 320 Vantage is spacious, comfortable, and extremely good looking. If you'd like to see this boat, you can see us at MarineMax Fort Myers. Look forward to showing you the Boston Whaler.